Okay, quick. What's the first thing you do when you decide you're ready to buy a new home? Do you start scouring the internet, neighborhoods for that dream home? Do you go out and buy new furniture and appliances that you think you're going to need for the new place? No, none of the above. Hi, I'm Mike Mortensen with Exit Metro Realty in Alexandria. And the very first thing you have to do when you're getting ready to buy that new house? Get your finances in order. And what does that mean exactly? Well, there's a few steps here. Number one, you want to pull your credit reports. And everyone is entitled to pulling credit reports one time a year. And that official website to go to is annualcreditreport.com. You want to stay away from all those other credit report sites. Most will just end up costing you money. So from annualcreditreport.com, pull the reports from all three of the credit reporting agencies. That's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And make sure everything on the reports is correct and looks reasonable. If there is a mistake, simply follow the guidelines in getting those mistakes corrected. It's very important. And speaking of your credit, this is not the time to go out and max out your cards. But it's also definitely not the time to pay them all off and cancel your cards. Because canceling your credit cards can virtually erase your credit history. That will send your credit score tumbling. So you want to keep those accounts open to show you have a history. Then work to have a balance of less than 50% of your credit limit for each card. Ideally, you want to keep the balance below 25%. If you can pay the things off entirely, go for it. But be careful not to spend the cash that you were counting on for a down payment and closing costs. Now, the second thing to do is prepare to meet with a lender or a mortgage broker to find out, just how much you can afford to spend on your new home. And to prepare for that meeting, I suggest you remember the number 2, because you're going to need 2 of your most recent W-2 forms, 2 of your most recent pay stubs, 2 months of bank statements, 2 months of investment retirement account statements, and 2 years of tax returns. Now, if you come prepared with those items, the application and the pre-approval process will go a whole lot easier. And with that information, your lender or mortgage broker will then be able to work up a pre-approval for just how much they'll be willing to loan you. And by the way, remember, there's a big difference between pre-qualified and pre-approved. And you can think of it this way. Being pre-qualified, that's the equivalent of like getting those pre-qualified credit card offers in the mail. They don't mean you're approved to get that credit card. It just means that you're pre-qualified to apply for that card. And it's the same with a mortgage. If you're pre-qualified, it just means that's based on what you told the lender, not on what they verified. So you're just going to be qualified to apply for that loan. It doesn't mean you're approved for that amount. So a little confusion there. You definitely want to get pre-approved before starting your search. And if you don't already have a lender or mortgage broker, please feel free to give me a call or an email. We have highly rated lenders and mortgage brokers. We work with them every day. They would be happy to get you pre-approved and into the home of your dreams. And then finally, after that, we can actually start looking for that house. And I would love to make that happen for you. I mean, I know it's an exciting time. My name again is Mike Mortensen. I'm with Exit Metro Realty here in Alexandria. My direct number is 703-888-9947. Again, that's 703-888-9947. Drop me an email. It's MikeMortensenRealtor@gmail.com. Both the number and email should be on this video and on the page somewhere, along with my website. So I look forward to speaking with you, and until then, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.